TrackNew CRM. Service simplified running a service business. Introducing TrackNew CRM. Your all-in-one solution for job scheduling and tracking. Stay on top of every task. Lead and customer management. Organized and accessible. AMC and RMA. Handling. No more manual follow-ups. Smart invoicing. Create quotes, bills, and receipts instantly. Inventory control. Real-time stock updates and alerts. Expense tracking. Keep your costs in check. Reports. Make smarter decisions with just one click. WhatsApp alerts. Send job updates, reminders, and invoices directly to your clients in real time. Whether you're in IT, HVAC, or any service industry, TrackNew CRM keeps your operations clean, connected, and under control. Want to see it in action? Book your free demo and experience a smarter way to manage service. TrackNew CRM, your business upgraded.